Hi, I'm Michael with the HealthPro Massage Chairs. Today we're going over a startup of your HealthPro Premier 3D. In the box, after you have your chair all together, you'll notice you have a couple extras, and if you're not sure where they go, I'll go over that now. First off, we'll go over these rectangle pads. These are designed for the feet, and they're designed to make it less intense if the foot massage is too strong. Those can be inserted right here in the bottom, and they're removable. So if it's not strong enough, those can be removed. The next item we'll go over is the remote holder. It attaches on the right hand side of the chair with Velcro. There's Velcro on the back here, and right up under here is Velcro as well. Slide that under, it'll attach to the Velcro, and it hangs loosely on the side of the chair, and it's removable as well. The last item we'll go over is the seat cushion. The seat cushion has fabric attached on the end that can be removed, and it attaches to the back of this cushion here. And so you'll line that up, and that will provide extra cushion through the seat area if you're using the chair like a recliner. If you're using it for massage purposes, you'll normally remove that, and you can store that in a closet or somewhere near the chair should you need an extra place for someone to sit.